Great day, parents and scholars. We're continuing our journey with division, and we have moved from a 1 by 2 or 2 by 1 to a 3 by 1. Okay, it's the same process, so nothing to be scared about. So let's jump right in. So we have 201 divided by 3. So we're going to divide 3 and 201. Notice I left space intentionally, okay? And you'll see why as we progress through the problem. So the first thing the kids are going to say is I cannot go past my multiple. I cannot go past the number 2 on my multiples. So I come on the multiples, and guess what? It starts with the 3. It's already over 2. So that means I can't go down any at all on the multiples chart. So I have to put a 0. Because I wasn't able to get to a number that wasn't bigger than 2. So now I'm gonna put a small little arrow here, and now I'm gonna move my 2 over, and now I have 20. Okay. So now I'm going to say the same thing. I cannot go past 20 on my multiples. I can stop at 20. I can get as close to 20 as possible, but I cannot go over the number 20. Okay, so I can go down. I can go to 18. I can't go to 21 because 21 is bigger than 20. So I can go to 18. That's the closest I can get to the number 20. Now let's count down how many multiples did we go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I put my 6 up top. I was able to go down 6 multiples. Now you're looking at your 20 and you're looking at the digit that has a dot. Are they the same number? They are not, so that means we have to subtract. So, and you're going to put the number with the dot up, that's what you're going to subtract it by. Okay? So I'm going to put 18 in my head and I'm going to count up to 20. 18, 19, 20. I have those 2. And right here I'm going to put a little arrow. And that's going to remind me that my 2 goes over to the very next number that's in my box. So my 2 is going to come right here in front of the 1, and it is 21. Now I cannot pass 21. Okay? So, I can get exactly 21. So I'm going to put my dot on 21. Now let's count down to 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 goes up top. I was able to go down 7 multiples. And I say to myself again, this number is 21 and this number with the dot is 21. Is it the same number? Yes, it is. So I'm done. I don't do anything to it because they are the same. There's no other numbers in the box, so I'm finished. And my quotient, which is the answer to the division problem, is 67. So we must check. That is a non-negotiable. So I'm going to take my quotient, which is the answer, and I'm going to multiply it by the divisor. So here I'm going to do distributive property because we have learned 3 strategies in which we're multiplying, and I want them to be great in all of them. So rather than do standard every time, I want to mix it up. Okay, so we're multiplying by 3, so that number is going to go first each time. And we have 67. Well, what is the expanded form for 67? And that is 60 and 7. So we have 3 times 6. That gives us 18. We're going to bring down the 0. Plus 3 times 7 is 21. And I'm going to do my vertical lines because I never want to add or subtract going sideways, multiply any of that. So we're going to do our 3 lines, 1, 2, 3. That's keeping our place value straight, and it's ensuring that everything is nice and neat. And there's my 21. I'm going to add that, and we have 1, 10. Put my plus 1 here, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So we get 201. Now this is how we know we're right. If the answer, once you check it by doing your multiplication, if your answer is the same as the dividend here, that lets you know you're correct. If I got a different answer here, to let me know somewhere in the problem I need to redo. Okay? Let's go up to another one. And we have 304 divided by 4. And so we're going to say the same thing. Put our finger on that first digit. We cannot go past 3. The first digit in the box. We can't go past 3. Well, look, it starts at 4. So what am I going to do? Automatic 0. Because I'm not able to not pass 3. So then I'm going to do my little arrow and move it over. And rather than 300s, now I have 30 10s. So now it's 30. And then you ask yourself again. Or say to yourself, I cannot pass 30 on my multiples. So I'm looking. I need to get as close as possible without going over 30. I can go to 28. So let me count down how many multiples it was. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now, the number 30 and the number that has the dot, are they the same number? No, it's not. So that means we have to do what? Exactly right. We have to subtract it. So minus, and remember, you always subtracting the number that has the dot. Always the number that has the dot. Okay? And so we're going to put 28 in our head and count up to 30. So 28, 29, 30. That's 2. And we're going to put a little arrow to remind us that it's going over to the very next digit in the box. So it's coming right here. 24. And now we start the same narrative over again. This is 24. I have to get as close to 24 as possible without going over, and I can get exactly on 24. So let me count down how many multiples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 goes up top, and you still have to ask yourself this question: is this number here the same as the number here with the dot? And it is, so we leave it alone. And I want to reiterate, it is very important, even on that last one, to do it, because eventually we're going to go into remainders. So we need to get in the habit of now answering that question. Okay? And our quotient, which is our answer to the division problem, is 76. Let me do an area model on this one. And I have 2 digits here, so I need 2 boxes. We're dividing by 4. Multiplying by 4, we have the expanded form of 76, which is 70 plus 6. And 4 times 7, let me go down 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That gives me 28. Drop that 0 down in the box. I have 280. 4 times 6, I'm going to count down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That gives me 24. I'm going to do my 3 lines. And I have 280. I have 24. 4, this is 10. 2 and 1 is 3. 304. So I got the same dividend that I started with. And that's how I know I'm correct. Good job. I hope this helps with your homework.